Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to do array division. Okay, how to do the arithmetic operations on array. Okay, so this one for this example is arithmetic division. Okay, so what we have is I have a set of values here, and I have another set of values here. I want to divide these every individual element here divided by every individual corresponding individual element here. Okay, for example, I want to divide this 5 by 4, 14 by 16, 2 by 18, and so on. We can do this one by simple formulas using 5 the cell A31 divided by E31 and so on, and similarly for every single cell. But this could be a tedious and lengthy process if you have a set of these arrays is many columns and rows. Okay, so there comes a short method to use array functions to do the operations like this. Okay, so how can we do the array division? Okay, so what we can do is, first of all, when you divide this 4 by 3 array with a 4 by 3, you must understand that the answer is not going to be only one cell, it is going to be the 4 by 3 again. Okay, so you must it is meaningless to type the formula in only one cell. Okay, you must type it in the all the cells where the output. So what we are going to do is we select the set of cells where the output has to come. Okay, the output has to come in the 4 rows and 3 columns similarly. Okay, you select all, then there is one cell is highlighted there. Okay, all of them are selected but one is active, so there you start typing, put equal to, then what our objective is to divide this array divided by this array. Okay, and once you type the formula, you selected the cells telling the Excel this is my output cells, and you type the formula, then you must press Ctrl Shift Enter to tell the Excel that you are typing a array formula. Ctrl Shift Enter. Now you can see that once you type the formula and Ctrl Shift Enter, it enclose the formula with braces. That means this array is treated as this formula is treated as a array formula, and the results are in the respective columns. So this is 5 divided by 4. Okay, this cell, then the second element of the first row, 14 divided by 16, again third element of the first row divided by third element of this first row in the second array. Okay, similarly it will do the corresponding elements of the first array and the second array. Okay, so it will take the finally it will take the third fourth row third row fourth element fourth row third element divided by in the first row divided by fourth row third element in the second row. Okay, so this way you can simplify the array division using the array formula. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.